Santa Monica, California, once a picturesque coastal escape, is now at the center of a growing crisis. Rising thefts, homelessness, addiction, and mental illness are leaving residents and businesses feeling unsafe and abandoned. But what's really happening in Santa Monica? Why are billions of dollars in state funding failing to solve these issues? And most importantly, what does the future hold for this iconic city? Stick with me to the end as we unpack the facts, explore the challenges, and consider the tough choices needed to turn things around. You won't want to miss this. Imagine owning a small store in Santa Monica. You've poured your heart into it, only to watch organized thieves walk out with thousands of dollars in merchandise. You call the police, but they're overwhelmed, and most cases go unresolved. This is the reality for countless business owners. Social media amplifies these stories, fueling fear and frustration. Governor Gavin Newsom recently signed bills to address these issues, but enforcement remains a challenge. Did you know that shoplifters are caught only 1 in 49 times? Let's talk about why these new laws might not be enough. The new laws increase penalties for shoplifting and theft. Now, thefts under $950 can be aggregated across counties to meet the felony threshold. Police can even make warrantless arrests for shoplifting. But here's the problem. Laws mean little without enforcement. With limited resources, catching and prosecuting shoplifters is like fighting a wildfire with a garden hose. So, if the laws can't be enforced effectively, are they just empty promises? This brings us to an even deeper crisis gripping Santa Monica, one that's putting immense pressure on public safety systems. 85 to 90% of police calls in Santa Monica involve homeless individuals. Many are battling addiction or severe mental illness. Imagine being an officer, responding to the same encampments day after day, knowing there's little you can do to fix the root cause. Despite spending an average of $138,000 per unhoused individual, the crisis persists. Billions of dollars in state funding have been allocated, but inefficiencies and lack of oversight have stalled progress. So why aren't these billions making a difference? Santa Monica's unique jurisdiction might hold some answers. Unlike Los Angeles, Santa Monica must independently apply for state funding, a bureaucratic maze that slows down progress. Mayor Phil Brock has called for stricter enforcement and increased mental health resources. He's also supporting Proposition 36, which could mandate rehabilitation or jail time for theft and drug-related offenses. Critics, however, argue that this could lead to higher court costs without guaranteeing success. The city is trying affordable housing projects and encampment cleanups, but these often push the problem elsewhere. The question remains, can Santa Monica lead by example in tackling this statewide crisis? The root causes, addiction and mental health, require systemic change. Short-term fixes won't cut it. Long-term solutions like job training, rehabilitation centers, and accessible mental health care are essential. But these changes require more than money. They demand accountability, compassion, and political will. If billions have been spent with little progress, how can we ensure future investments make a real impact? This isn't just a Santa Monica problem. It's a challenge facing cities across the U.S. Let's explore how we can all be part of the solution. The challenges in Santa Monica are daunting, but they're not insurmountable. With the right policies, oversight, and community action, we can create safer, more compassionate cities. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay informed about critical issues. Together, we can push for meaningful change. See you there.